Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to grow your YouTube presence and stand out from the crowd, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into 8 unusual YouTube growth tricks that can help you skyrocket your channel's visibility. Let's jump right in. First up, leverage nostalgia. Create content around trends or shows from the past. People love revisiting their childhood favorites, so try making reaction videos or deep dives into old movies or games. Nostalgia can drive engagement like nothing else. Next, consider collaborating with smaller channels. While big names might seem tempting, smaller creators are often more approachable and can bring fresh audiences to your content. Plus, it fosters a sense of community. Trick number 3, use end screens to promote playlists instead of just single videos. This encourages viewers to binge watch your content, increasing watch time and boosting your channel's algorithm performance. Fourth on the list, create how-to content related to your niche. People are always searching for solutions to their problems. By providing valuable tutorials, you position yourself as an authority and attract organic traffic. Fifth, don't be afraid to experiment with different formats. Try vlogs, animations, or even short films. Switching things up can keep your content fresh and attract different types of viewers. Trick number 6, tap into trending topics. Keep an eye on social media trends and create timely content around them. This can give you a huge visibility boost as people search for the latest discussions. Seventh, engage with your comments in unique ways. Instead of just replying, consider creating a video responding to fan comments or even featuring them in your next video. This builds community and encourages more engagement. And finally, host giveaways with a twist. Instead of just asking for likes and subscriptions, ask viewers to share your video on social media or tag friends. This not only increases visibility, but also creates buzz around your channel. Which trick are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy creating.